Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. All right, let's see what happened. Holy shit. Market dumped. Finally got out of that range. Wow. Came down, filled most of the gap here. Let's see. So this is London session and woo, New York session. So this was the opening from yesterday. New York open yesterday, guys. Look at this drop. Holy shit. And yesterday we took a short over here. Holy shit. What a drop. That's nasty. Um Hold up. Let's see what how many points was that? To where it's at now down here. This was the drop. What the 777 points. Lord, that's a drop. That is crazy. Wow. We got 50 points of that yesterday. Of the 777 points. That is crazy. ATR is currently at 19 points on the 5-minute time frame. Wow. There's the trade. You can see that's where I took the short there. Little baby compared to the whole move. That's crazy. Generational wealth for real. Wow. All right. Anyways, let's get to where we're at now. There was CPI news today. Let's see. All right. So at 8:30 a.m. we had CPI news. One came in flat. The others came in a little red. That was at 8:30. So let's see exactly 8:30 what happened. Pretty sure it was here. Yeah. Oh, it pumped. So this is 8:35. 8:30 candle pumped. Yeah. It was a pump. Well, I mean, if it went any lower, it would have been crazy because it's already low. So, all right. So let's mark out some levels. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, I was looking at the wrong ATR, guys. I'm sorry. I was because I was back here. I was looking at the wrong ATR. ATR is at 44 right now. All right, so we're definitely not gonna go crazy today, because when the New York Stock Exchange opens, I'm sure it's gonna be a lot higher. So lower risk today. We're not gonna give up money that we made the whole week. Um, let's see. Which account? Which account? So we got 3 funded, 1 eval. Da, 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 da. I mean, we could do the eval. I'll do the eval. I'm not gonna mess with the other accounts. And max risk today, 300. 300 on the eval. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button. Thank you. I appreciate it. I haven't even logged into my other computer here. Let me do that. See what the news is talking about. Yeah. They're talking about all-time highs. For those of you who traded last year, you think it's hard trading this? Try trading all-time highs, guys. There's no levels. There's nowhere to know exactly how high it's going to go. You have to wait for pullbacks because you're at all-time highs. So for you guys who who have traded last year, that's very difficult, trading all-time highs. But I'm sure we'll get there again. All right, so I got my other computer here set up. I'm going to mark out some levels here. We're going to mark out London high. We got 24,824. That is the London high. And London low is 24,620. All right. Obviously, that was the lowest. The highest, I believe, was right here. This was Asia high. All right, so Asia high. Asia high was right there. 24,864. So we got some levels marked out. Some key liquidity levels. Let me zoom in here. Crazy. Crazy. Well, it finally got out of that range it was in for like the whole week. This must have been some sort of news. Obviously not positive news. All right. All right, let me switch up the music just a little bit. All right. All right, so we got the levels marked out. Obviously, we've done a massive drop here. I mean, that doesn't mean it can't go lower, guys. It doesn't mean it can't go lower. The market could go wherever it wants. There's still a level down here. It could do a double bottom. There's still an imbalance here. They might want to come fill that. Let's look at the daily. I rarely look at the daily, but sometimes you got to look at it just to see what the market's trying to do. Let me take these out of here. All right. Yeah. So it just tapped EMA 200 on the daily. Might want to go lower, man. Might want to go lower. It's a kind of tricky spot there. Obvious downtrend. Obvious downtrend. 4 hours. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is undecided. That's what I have over here. Back to 1 hour. And it's pretty much moving sideways on the 1 hour here. Five-minute, it is dumping. Let's see if it could get under all the EMAs. Obviously, we're looking for shorts again for now, unless things change. Shorts are in play. Y'all awake? Y'all ready? So we pulled up the news. Everybody's talking about NVIDIA. NVIDIA CEO on AI spending jump. It's appropriate and sustainable because cash flows will rise. Okay, you say so. NVIDIA goes up, NASDAQ goes up, guys. Oops, my bad. If NVIDIA goes up, NASDAQ goes up. Yeah, maybe that's, if crypto's getting crushed, everything else is gonna get impacted for sure. Everything is sort of connected. You know, that's just how it goes. All right, so yeah, we're doing max 300. I'm only trading the eval. ATR is at 45, guys. So that means it's probably going to jump over 50, which you guys know. Every time it's jumped over 50 points, I've lost the damn trade. So, yeah, my Goldilocks zone is about 30 to 40. Yeah, if it goes over 50, the chances of winning the trade go down. And let's not mess up all the profits we've made this week. We're not going to mess that up. We got all of next week. I want to stay green. Make sure you manage your risk accordingly. Yep. Yeah, the yen affects it. More, Japan owns a lot of US bonds. So to make sure that their money doesn't go down, they sell a lot of those bonds, which obviously weaken the dollar. And then that's what happens, more or less. Because they need money. Their money's losing value. Lots of things, lots of things. Big drop though. Massive drop. Let's see. Is it gonna go lower or is it gonna pop back up? I have to wait and see, guys. Gonna have to wait and see. Imbalances have been filled on the 4 hour, so that's good. Yeah, let's see if it pops. For me to start looking for longs, I gotta see this close strongly bullish on the 5-minute. And be bullish here too, obviously. But for now, we're just gonna stay patient and we're gonna wait. We got about 15 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Make sure to hit that like button, guys, so I can keep growing this channel. Been doing lives for 5 weeks already. If I can't continue growing the channel, I'm not gonna do lives no more, man. I'm not gonna do lives. Then you guys are gonna have to trade by yourselves without me. What are you guys gonna do? Y'all better start getting people to subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it. Uh-uh. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Vlad. Ah, let's see. Let's see what's happening. Mm, I already got the levels marked out here. We got the London high, 24,824.50. We got Asia high, 24,864.50. And we got the London low, 24,620.25. It is in a chop consolidation. It did drop about 770 points from yesterday. Insane. Bulls or bears? Um, well, clearly the bears are in control because it literally dropped from our level here over 700 plus points down. Let me put in some more data here. There you go. This is where we're at. Obviously filled most of this imbalance here, just a little left. There's still some more room to the downside, guys. But we're going to find out if it wants to bounce from here or continue going down. Let's see what the market decides. And we're just going to react. We do not predict. We let the market come to us, guys. Yeah. 700 from the peak, over 700 all the way down here. Insane. Insane. Can you imagine if I held the short that I took, that I would have got at least 500, 600 points if I just held it and just let's say I moved my stop, I don't know, to the peak up here, right? If I would have moved my stop up here, I took the short around here, would have gotten this whole move. Guys, I wouldn't be on live today, I'll tell you that much. I'll be at the bank. I'd be like, give me my money. Are y'all gonna buy one of those Tesla robots or what? They go for 45K. It cooks, cleans, folds clothes for you. You can finance it, man. Pay monthly, like a car. That should be interesting when that comes out. We're gonna have fucking robots walking around. It's gonna be like, what's the movie with Will Smith? Hold on. What's that movie Will Smith? I Robot. I can't remember the damn name. Yeah, we need Tesla to go up. We need Nvidia to go up. Because what does that mean? NASDAQ goes up. ATR is at 43. ES is hanging at VWAP. It's just been bouncing on top. iRobot. That's how many. Yeah, we're gonna live in the iRobot era. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Make sure to hit the like button, guys, so I can keep growing it. Keep growing this channel. All right, let me make this a little bigger. All right, so still got a few more minutes into the New York Open. The game plan is we mark the first 15 minutes, the high and low, and then we wait for a breakout, guys. Yeah, yeah. No, I mean it's gonna get there. It's gonna get to the Jetsons for sure. I don't know about flying cars though, but the cars are definitely gonna drive themselves. I have a Tesla, so it already does. Yeah. I hope you guys are ready. Don't make sure to risk manage appropriately, guys. You don't have to take a trade today either. You got to preserve that mental capital. That's also important. You don't want to be green on the week and then blow it all on one trade today when the conditions are not ideal. ATR is at 43. When the market opens, it's going to be over 50 for sure. So the swings are going to be ridiculous. It's going to be very difficult to trade. So size down, I recommend today, and maintain your capital. Next week, there's going to be way better opportunities, and you don't want to blow it all today on a bad day, you know, on a Friday, and mess up your whole weekend. All right, don't do that. Don't do that. You will get
emotional damage.
if you blow all your accounts and all the profits you made this week. That's what you're gonna get. Don't get me wrong, guys. I've done it. I've done it before. All right, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. New York Stock Exchange opens. Stay tuned. Hopefully my computer doesn't freeze when I take a trade. Well, it didn't freeze, or the orders just were tripping yesterday. And what sucks is that I can't I can't restart the computer. I can't really do much because I'm on live. That's why I have this backup just in case. I have this other computer backup just in case. But yeah, my computer completely went crazy yesterday. That's pretty much what it did yesterday. It was like, nah, in the middle of the trade. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Oh, yeah, let's fix the screen a little bit because I'm feeling it's going to get wild here. It's going to get crazy. Sorry, guys, I have allergies, so you're going to hear me sniffling. It's going to be rough. It's going to be rough. I've been like this since yesterday, but today it's almost there. I think it wants to go lower. That's just my opinion. I think it wants to fill this imbalance, fill this, tap this zone that it likes to tap. I think it's in a weird ass spot right now. I think it wants to either come back up here or come back down here. We're going to see what it does. We are going to see what it does. So we're looking at the 1 hour here and the 5 minute here, in case you're wondering. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button, please. Confidence in the U.S. economy. Enormous confidence in the U.S. economy. I hope so. Did you guys hear that Russia is going to start using the U.S. dollar again? They might. If they do, that's going to definitely going to boost us. That's definitely going to help. More of our money in circulation makes it more dominant. Even though it's already dominant, but yeah. All right, here we go. Got about 1 minute left. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all been patient? Thank you guys for being patient. Let's see what happens. 40 seconds. Here we go. Looks like it wants to fill this. Maybe take out the highs. Maybe going up. Might be going up. Retest EMA 50 here. Let's see what VWAP. I'm sure it wants to fill this for sure. All right, here we go. 5 seconds. Market is open. Market is open. 9:30, guys. Well, didn't fill the whole thing. Not yet. It's gonna wipe all the orders out first. Let's watch the higher time frame here. It's gonna come for this gap right here. Going for the London low. London low is right there. That is London low. Will the market go lower or will it start to pump? Oh. Okay. My computer just closed the screen. Okay. That was scary. Don't do that again. Don't do that again. All right. I'm looking at ES over here. See how it's reacting. Okay. Still trying to figure out where it wants to go, guys. I'm being patient and waiting. Stocks are steady after CPI news. Palantir is down. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's see. Figure it out, NASDAQ. ES is pumping already. Is NASDAQ going to follow? Let's see. Okay. Turning into a... Oh, psych. It was turning into a green giant there. Let's see. Is it gonna flip or what? Yeah, my bad.
Green giant.
I think it's coming.
Green giant.
It's having some resistance with the EMA 200 there. But it filled the gap that I said. It's gonna take a little while. Ah, man. Got about 26 minutes left on the 1 hour candle. New candle opens at 10. So ATR currently at 41 or 42. Complete indecision right now. It's literally bouncing between all the EMAs. EMA 200 pushed it down. It's just hanging around VWAP. And EMA 200, EMA 50, it's just right here. We need it to break out in a certain direction so we can catch some sort of momentum. Because this is complete indecision. All right. First 5-minute candle is about to finish. All right. Come on. Come on. Figure it out, NASDAQ. Figure it out. Okay. It's going lower. Let's see. It's going to fill this gap here. Then come to the swing low. I'm sorry, the London low. Nope. Went down, got rejected. Oh my God. Super chop zone. NASDAQ on pace for its 5th negative week in a row. Just getting killed. But usually pullbacks like this are necessary, guys. Like these 700-point drops grab buyers, grab better prices, and then it rips up higher. It has to go lower to go higher. It doesn't just keep ripping. People want lower prices to buy, and then goes up. Okay, come on. Come on. Figure it out. Yeah, super undecided. On the 4-hour, it's a doji. See if it figures out a direction. This might be a small orb, or it might look small, but these candles are pretty big. ATR is at 46 on the 5-minute time frame. 47, 46, 47. Okay, it tapped that imbalance. I might want to fill it, so I might go a little lower. It'll take a minute though. Looks like there's resistance everywhere. Okay. All right. The first 10 minutes are about to be formed in about a minute. So far, how much has the candle moved? Let's see, from the top to the bottom. 123 points, more or less. So I know they look small, but they've moved pretty big movements. Come on, NASDAQ, figure it out. What you want to do? What you want to do? Okay, it's your first 10 minutes. We got 5 more minutes until we set the orb. All right, it just filled that imbalance. I think it's going to come down to fill the rest of the imbalance here on the 1 hour. Oh, there it goes. Wants to tap this low. Wants to tap it down here. It's coming. It's coming. It's gonna tap it. It's coming for the. There it goes. It's like a magnet, guys. It's like a magnet. Insane. Look at that shit. It is a magnet. It's gonna go. Wah! Watch. Seen this happen 100 times. There it goes. Chances are it's gonna fill it. This is how people take scalps. They'll be like quick short. Pop, pop. Look at that. Look at that. There it goes. Oh. Oh. Tap the bottom of London low, which is right there on the 1 hour. And it still has a little more to fill. So Watch. It had to have a reaction, obviously, because it went lower than the previous wick. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Pop, 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 pop. If you know what you're doing, you know, there it is. It keeps going lower. Now it's going for this imbalance down here. Might take some time though. That's a pretty big drop. But yeah, look at this. Now it's running. Let's see how it reacts to the pivot here. If it's gonna bounce or rip right through it. Yeah, I don't take trades within the first 15 minutes just because there's a lot of volatility. ATR is at 47. Even though I had a strong bias here that it was going to fill this, yeah, I didn't take the trade because it's not part of my strategy or my rules. If I was playing around or something like that, maybe I would do that, but I got to go what I studied, you know? Follow my rules, follow my exact strategy, which is the orb. So yeah, this is a massive orb, by the way. So far, I'm gonna mark it rectangle here, top of the orb to here. That is the current 15 minutes. We got about a minute and 40 seconds. Let's see. I definitely wanted to fill that imbalance. This opening range is massive, by the way. Here you go. How big is it? 223 points. 223 points is the opening range. Insane. Look at this sweep. Complete sweep. If it closes up here, we going long. Just saying that. I'm not going to wait for a breakout. If that thing closes up here, very, very green, that would be like a green candle up here. This is a massive sweep of the London lows, guys. We gotta wait for this shit to close, though. That is massive. Still tricky, tricky. We could do $100. Yeah, I want to risk it for the biscuit. We could risk 100, even though it hasn't broken out yet. See how it reacts to this VWAP here. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. It might want to keep going up, but it's having some resistance here. Yeah, and of course it goes to the moon. Let's wait. Let's wait for the breakout. Let's wait for the breakout. I want to see confirmation. Everything turns green. I need confirmation of the bullish momentum. Well, I would have hit TP already if I took that long. If you guys took the long. The long would have been right here. $48 points. TP. Bah. Easy. That would have been crazy. Oh my god. There he goes. Now we're gonna see. Now we're gonna see. Orb is set, guys. The opening range is set. We got about 3 minutes to see what this candle wants to do. Let's see. Let's see. If it breaks out, ATR is at 55, guys. Risk down, all right? Okay, this thing is popping right now. Hopefully it doesn't close too strong. It closes like right here. That'd be perfect, actually. Damn, what a rip right here. That would have been great. Would have been done for the day already. Oh, resistance. Resistance. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You took the long? You took a long? Hey, you took the long there? Good shit, brother. Good shit. I'm glad somebody took it. Congrats, man. Congrats. I'm glad somebody. I was hesitating just because they didn't break out of the VWAP here. But yeah, definitely a lot of strength. A lot of strength. Have a great day, buddy. Don't forget to hit like. Don't go without me. Hang on, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Don't pump. Don't pump yet. Don't leave me. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, no. It ran without me, man. Oh, my God. It's going for that Asia high now. It hit the swinging highs here. Don't leave yet. We got a minute. We got a minute. Let's give it a minute. Don't run without me. Not yet. Max lost today 300 on the eval. Damn, this was the long right here. That was the long, but I'm glad somebody got it. I hesitated because of damn VWAP and all the EMAs here. I didn't know if it was gonna pull back then up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Showing weakness now. And now when I get in, I get cooked. Let's go. All right, so yeah, if it breaks out, I'm gonna take the long. Mm. Mm. Ooh, it's getting weak. It's getting weak because of that swing high. Hit the London high there. Oh God.
Order filled.
Cooked. 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 Oh no. Yeah. That was a long right here. I waited too long.
Stop filled.
It reversed on my ass. All right, so that was one bad one. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. It did break above it. It just didn't break up here. It went too high. It definitely went too high. Swings, ATR is at 60, man. ATR is at 60. All right, we got 2 more bullets in the chamber. See if we could. Well, we lost 100. Max lost today's 300. So second trade we could do 200 and Win or loss. Win or lose. Let's see. I'm going to wait for the setup, though. Crazy. It didn't take out the Asia high. I thought it would want to, you know, take that out before it came down, but guess not. If it breaks out now, then yeah, I'll take it again. Let's see. Let's see. What a push. Push straight down. I might want to go lower now. Who knows? It's looking bearish now. It wasn't. This was the long. Would have been wonderful if I would have listened to myself. At least somebody listened to me. Okay, reverse. 1 minute. There's your loss. Still green on the week. We're still good. Oof. Is it gonna go higher or is it gonna go lower? Let's see. Gotta wait for the breakout, man. Gotta wait for that breakout. Gotta wait for that break. 30 seconds. If it breaks, long. No, no break. Now it might break. We'll see. All right. Oh my God. Now it goes to the moon.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a crazy ass long here. I'm just gonna take it because I just see it wants to go higher and it's gonna run without me. I don't want it to leave without me. If it wants to come down and take me out, then I'm good with that and we're done. But I know it wants to pop out. I'm seeing strong bullish momentum on ES and all the other time frames. So yeah, this is it. If it wants to come and reverse down, then whatever, man. It is what it is. Yeah. ATR is just 63 right now. It's insane. Yeah. Maybe I was wrong. I don't know. Chopped out. Chopped out, bro. Cooked. Cooked, deep fried. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Ran out of juice. Sorry, guys. It's just the ATR, man. ATR. I should have taken the original long here, but it just does not want to fucking pop up, man. It is what it is. 300. Max loss for the day. Still up on the week, though. Still up on the week. That was the eval. I could take a trade on the sim just for you guys. But, yeah. No good. Still up 2,000 on the week, though. We're good. It says it. I mean, it's choppy. Look at this shit. Chop, chop. Now it's going down. It's chopping everybody's getting chopped out of here. I figured it did its pullback and it wanted to go higher. It was showing bullish on all the time frames and it just completely reversed. And look how small my stop loss is because the ATR is at 63. It was literally like just not even the whole candle here. Murked. Murked. It is what it is. It's alright. We got next week, guys. Still green on the week. We're good. We are Gucci. 300 bucks is nothing. Nothing. I don't care to get it back. I was wrong. That's it. Except that I was wrong. Now we could take a nice trade with the sim account and play around. And I'll probably take the trade on the sim account that works out. It's just that's the way it is. This shit could chop in here all day because this range is about 200 something points. So this is a massive range. It could just literally just bounce in here all damn day. All right, 10 o'clock candle. New 1 hour candle for me here. Let's see what it does. To the moon. Super chop now, man. I know, dude. No trading. Okay. You don't have to trade every day, man. You don't have to trade. Not trading is a position also, guys. Not necessary. Especially if you're up on the week. There's no need to trade on Fridays. All right. So you have enough mental capital for next week. So next week, I'm sure there's going to be great opportunities. Now shit wants to go up. Took me out to go up. Super chop zone. And I'm telling you, when I take the trade on the sim account, that's the one that I win. On the fake money. Pop, 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 pop. Chop zone, man. Got chopped out. It said, cool story, David. Nope. This was the move right here. I should have gone with my initial thought. Danny caught it. He went on that thought. He said, oh, okay. Yeah. Poop. I didn't take it just because of the VWAPs and EMAs. I thought it was going to pop up and maybe come back down. VWAP and EMAs. All right. Super chop. Super chop. Super 1 hour chop here. Now this shit wants to go up. Now it wants to go up. Incredible. Incredible. Right back up. Watch, I'm gonna hit 10K on the eval. I'm not the eval. 10K on the sim account. Yeah. It's struggling. It's struggling to break out. Pretty big impulse green candle on the ES. Let's see. Let's see how this closes. One minute. We'll see how this candle closes. If it closes red, we'll take a short on the sim. If it closes green, we'll take a long. It's just choppy. When it's hanging around VWAP and it's up, down, it's not a good time to trade. There's no clear direction. All right, it's closing above VWAP. Green candle. Looks like a long. Let's see. Let's play around.
Order filled.
Ah! Let's go. Let's go, sim. Bro, not even the sim can handle this shit. Not even the sim can handle the chop. Oh my god. Yeah. It's too much. The swings are way too much. Super chop zone. Super chop. Oh, it's cooked. Sim is cooked. Oh my god. It's crazy. It didn't tap it out. Bye-bye, sim. ATR's at 70, guys. 70. Oh my god. It edged it. It edged the stop loss. It knew it was a sim account. It knew. You gotta get one right today. Come on. Don't chop it out. Yeah, I think this one will go up. I think this one will go up. Shit, it didn't stop me out by like a few ticks. Wow. Wow. Of course it works out. It's a sim account. Not necessary. I think I lost on the sim once. The chop is real. The chop is real, guys. I think if I think moving forward, if the ATR is over 55, just not gonna trade that day. Are we noticing a pattern, guys? Sorry. Are we noticing a pattern? Every time the ATR is over 50, I lose. When it's under 50, I win. Coincidence? I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Yeah. TP is going to get smashed. TP is going to get smashed. This thing just has crazy ass swings. Crazy. Look at that shit. It's up 6K. Look at that. Sim never. The sim doesn't fail, bro. This it knows it's fake money, so it's like, we'll give it to him. We'll give it to him. It's fake money. But look how choppy it is, man. Super chop. Oh, wow. Literally tapped the top there and got completely bounced down. It's very volatile, man. Very volatile. Crazy. Oh, wow. It edged it. It edged it. Oh my God. Wow, that's crazy. That is crazy. It's not gonna fill it? That's crazy. Oh my God. Wow. Ain't that some shit? It's right there. It's just hanging out at 9,000. Now it comes all the way down, hits the stop, and goes up. Insane. Look at this shit. Look how close it was. Right here.
Stop filled.
And it came down, hit the stop. Let's see what the crazy. That sucked. 4,000 on the sim. Came down, hit the stop. Now it goes higher. Insane. Insane. Insane, this chop. It's a good long right there.
Order filled.
One on the sim. Another one on the sim. It broke out. Might want to come back and fill this right here. Let's do 2 for 2. There he goes. There he goes. Wants to take out the high. The sim. The sim. I only did one micro on the sim. Oh, man. Oh, what are you going to do? What are you going to do, guys? What are you going to do? It be like that sometimes. It's just an eval. Tomorrow, I mean not tomorrow. Monday, next week, we're gonna have to do some crazy ass moves like this. Because we need to get 20K on this damn account before February 6th. 20K on that account before February 6th. You guys think I could do it? I'm gonna have to pull a move. I'm gonna have to pull a move. Damn, look at that shit. It didn't deliver. It's just choppy, man. It's just chopping. Is it gonna go higher? It's 10, 10. It went down. Broke to the upside. Couldn't make a higher high. No. It doesn't have strength. This shit is just choppy. Very, very volatile. ATR is at 72. 72. $72. Let's see. Will they get to make a new high? What do you guys think? I think so. It's gonna struggle though. These swings might take me out, but I think it does want to get up here and fill this gap a little higher. Just a little higher. Crazy. It's hard. It's hard right now. They have it on expert level. Expert level today. Okay. It's just the swings. It took it out. Reverse.
Stop filled.
Well, there you go. This shit just doesn't care today. Look at this shit. It came down here, closed, and now it goes all the way up. No way. No way. That's crazy. Stop out the sim too. The NASDAQ is like, I'm gonna take out your sim, but it doesn't know that I just did 1 micro. I'm still up on the sim, 4K almost. Now we're gonna get you. Watch. Now we're gonna get you. All right, this will be my last trade for the sim. Enough playing around. I'm not gonna take any other trades on the real accounts because I'm already up for the week, guys. Took a on the eval, lost 300, still up 2,000 for the week. Next week we're gonna take some crazy ass trades. So you guys better tune in. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Would you look at this? Yeah, reverse. Insane. This shit is chop fest. Wow. Yeah, this was the original move right here, man. This shit should have been the long, but I would have liked it better if it would have closed right here. confirming it's above VWAP and all these, and then it just ripped up, that would have been great. But since it didn't give me that additional confirmation, I didn't take it, even though it did look great, like a bullish pin bar. One of my subscribers did take it and made 140, I think. So good for them. Then I did, yeah, I think I took the long here and got completely wrecked. It didn't continue. It did not continue out. And then I think, yeah, we took this long here on this green candle, closed above the VWAP, stopped in profit. Then I think then I took the long on the sim again, stopped out $100, but we're up 4,000 on there. Next trade, let's see what the market wants to do. It's just super choppy right now, guys. So you got to trade the range. Very, very choppy. We'll take one other crazy little trade on that sim account and we'll be done for the week. We end the week 5 weeks in a row green, guys. Even with these little losses, we're still green. Gave back about 300 bucks. 300 bucks on the eval. On an eval. It's not a funded account. Not yet. Hopefully we can get it funded. Yeah, now it's super undecided. Can't figure a direction out, man. It's been wiki. You look at the 15-minute time frame, wick at the bottom, wick at the tops. Super wiki. Let's see. Will I get the 10K on the sim or what? ATR is at 73. 73, guys. That means these little candles are over 100 points. Insanity. Yeah. Insanity.
Order filled.
This is just to play around. This is a sim account. I think it's going up. There we go. Because it likes to go psych. Unless now it wants to go down. It's just been ranging. So I wouldn't be surprised. Now it wants to go down? No, hold us. There it goes. There it goes. Get up there. Do your average, your daily, what's it called? Whoa! That shit just popped. But it didn't hit TP. Oh my goodness. There it goes. Oh my god, it didn't fill it. Wow. Bro, this shit's playing around. Even with the sim account, it's playing. Look at that shit. It got right here and didn't fill the damn order. It's gonna hit the stop.
Stop filled.
Wow. It just doesn't want to give it to me today. Not even on the sim account. Wow, dude, it was off by like a tick. That's crazy. That's crazy. Whatever. Sim account 8,434. I hope you guys enjoyed the Chop Fest. Yeah. Why didn't you take those trades with the other accounts? Because look at this shit, man. It didn't even deliver. It didn't even deliver. That's crazy. Fucking reversed. Straight down. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. Another week green. Let's see if I can keep the weekly green streak going. Took a trade on the eval today. Got cooked $300, and then took 3 trades. Yeah, 3 trades on the sim account. Made 8,000. Insanity. It's crazy. Look at this shit. It just went green, completely into a hammer. It's just very, very volatile. ATR, the average trading range, ATR, is about 73 right now. So anytime it goes over 50, forget it. It's very difficult to trade just because the swings are so big. So look at this shit. Completely reversed to the downside now. Insane. You got to take quick little scalps in this kind of market. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys. Enjoy Valentine's tomorrow. Make sure that you bought your girlfriend something. Y'all have a great weekend. I'll see you guys back Monday at 9 a.m. And peace. Thank you for tuning in. Watching Trading with David 305, the NASDAQ Futures. Have a good one, guys.